led by the oldest female, the matriarch. She's the boss. Papa, not the boss, yeah? He just only joined the mix and got away.
Do you think they're heading toward the swamp?
Yeah, they want to come go for a drink.
Look at those two babies.
Look at that. I like the tusk. We can tell the difference between one elephant
Oh,
to the other by the ear marks, the patterns on their ears, and also the tusk.
But one of them has a tusk that curls way up, but the other one goes straight out.
Exactly.
It just grew that way, or is he injured it?
They mostly depend on the push when they were in a certain age, when they were fighting, when they were feeding like that.
Do the females fight much?
Mostly boys do.
Right.
The young teenager males do.
Figures.
Look at that. Yeah.
Look at them.
Very good sense of smell, lifting the trunk up to the
Oh, you're fine. You're just fine.
Oh, sorry.
You're fine, honey.